mga bes! Samahan niyo ako ngayon pumunta sa APMI Pasakaw hindi bilang estudyante kundi isang guest speaker. Let's go!
Wala akong naririnig. Isa pa! Sabihin niyo, I love you, Mama and Papa. Ayan!
Hi guys! This is Shannon, an online seller, pajitera, and now a first-year marketing management student. And for today's video nga ay umuwi ako dito sa lugar kung saan ako ay nagkamalay, lumaki, nagkaisip, at syempre naandito rin ang aking mga magagandang alaala ng aking childhood years. Dito yan sa Pasakaw. Pero syempre ay hindi lang tayo umuwi ng Pasakaw dahil nandito tayo ngayon sa aking junior high school alma mater. At kinuha pa nga tayong guest speaker. Hindi ko nga alam kung ba't ako kinuha kasi Parents Appreciation Day. Sabi ko, parents na ba ako? Kidding aside, this year marks the second time that PAD or Parents Appreciation Day is being celebrated here in APMI. APMI means Arborbite Plains Montessori Incorporated. So the main goal of this event is simple but very powerful. Diba, bongga? And that is to teach the students the value of gratitude, pagiging thankful, and respect for their parents. Kasi nga sabi ni Madam Ava, the founder of this school, in this generation, especially among the high school students, mas nagiging close na tayo sa friends natin or to our peers. And there's nothing wrong with that naman. Pero sometimes, we can't deny na we forget to express appreciation to the people who have been supporting us from the start, from the very beginning, which is our parents. So this event reminds the students na sa likod ng kanilang every achievement, every dream, and every success, there are parents who sacrifice silently for them. So this event, I could conclude that it is not just a program. It is a reminder to say thank you, to show respect, and to never take our parents for granted. Diba? Dami ko nang nasabi. So after nga ng pag-games, sinimula na ang program. As you can see mga be, ang cutie nga ng mga MC dito. And after nga ng proper opening, sumunod dyan ang keynote speech ng school principal na si Miss Regina Lorin Villamante. And after nyan, ako na ang tinawag.
One of my previous students here at APMI as our guest speaker.
Isa-isahin pa ba natin to?
She is a graduate of APMI, as with high honors, batch 2023. Graduated as second honors at Ateneo de Naga University Senior High School, batch 2025. And also a pageant enthusiast, Daragang Pakulana SK 2024, Miss Tian Almeida 2024, Miss Macad 2025, Miss Marupi Tourism 2025, Miss Santo Tomas Tourism 2025, Miss San Mateo Tourism 2025, Miss Pasakaw Top 8 Finalist, an active student leader currently serving as a first-year representative of the Ateneo Junior Marketing Association in Naga City, a content creator, and having her small business as an owner of Shannon's Apparel. Everyone, let's give her a round of applause, Miss Shannon Oshana.
Wow, thank you so much for that wonderful introduction, Ma'am Ruby Ann. So dito nga mga be, ay kwento ko lang yung mga experiences ko na meron ako dito sa APMI and how APMI helped me to discover my strength, talents, skills as a student. At syempre sa huli, meron tayong message para sa mga parents na naandyan. And syempre hindi din po natin pwedeng kalimutan ng aking magulang, yung mother ko na naandito, sinusuportahan tayo. Sabi ko sa kanya, sumama ka ma and mag-video ka sa akin. Again, thank you so much po APMI for invited me back here in this school. Namiss ko ang pagiging grade 7 ko na sobrang mahiyaing bata.
Citation, Certificate of Appreciation presented to Shannon Oshana for sharing valuable testimonials and our school director, Mrs. Asuncion V. Arsenio.
And syempre, after ng pagsalita natin ay token of appreciation na. At sa pagbalik namin ni Madam Ava sa table namin, nagkwentuhan naman kami on how APMIans act beyond the classroom.
Simple sinda pag nakatukaw, simple. Pero pag pinatindog mo sa stage,
May laban.
mahilig mo biglang. May nagsabi kasi ako, pag nag-abot sa stage, na-transform.
Yan.
Pero pag yan, yes, totoo. Gabo siya na
Next week, ma-transform kita.
After that mga be, ay meron pa silang program wherein yung mga students from preschool to high school ay pinapagawa ng gratitude letter for their parents. And look how cute and genuine they are.
To my wonderful parents, thank you for your endless patience patience,
Next year naman, iba na
and
naman point of view nila,
patience
taga-grade
and
sila dito na.
unconditional love. You are my biggest blessings, and I cherish every moment with you.
Thank you, Mom, for buying me everything I need.
There to my mom and dad. Thank you so much for loving me always and buying all what I want. I'm so lucky you to be my mom and dad. Even though you're not beside me, I still love you, Mom.
Hi, Mama. Thank you everything. Thank you for everything you gave me and for the support you gave me every day. Everything. And I love you.
And after nyan, may mga parents din po na nag-speech. At habang nagsispeech sila, ay nagpapadala na rin dito sa mesa namin ng mga pagkain. Daming pagkain! Pwede bang uuwi yan? Anyways, nabusog po ako and thank you so much po pala sa mga students na nagsiserve ng mga pagkain na to. At salamat rin sa'yo sa pagsama sa akin sa araw na to. Bye-bye!